Make money right now with CPA marketing utilizing an easy and amazing strategy I've never shared with you right now on this channel before right now. Not only is the strategy going to be 100% free one, it can actually be done by beginners right there, and you can use that to leverage a lot of traffic your CPA offers right here. So stick on with me as we explore right into the strategy. If you're new to the channel OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways to make money online, either with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and the use of some cool AI tools. If you do like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos to help you out right there. You could also make sure guys that you're subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is always turned on all to always get alerted whenever I do release some cool videos to help boost your income online. So with that being said, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video right now. So the first thing which we actually need to go on to getting done for this strategy right now is to create a video. Now, in order for us to create a video, we actually need a script for the video right now, and I can just simply utilize this AI tool called ChatGPT to help us generate script to our video. But guys, the type of video which we're going to be creating right here today is focusing more on the motivational niche, utilizing the make money online niche. So I'm actually blending both motivation and the make money online niche together. You can actually blend motivational niche and any other niche together also, maybe with the fitness niche, the health niche, or the setting of goals and accomplishment niche, or niches like that right there. So once you actually do come right here, maybe I'm just going to ask ChatGPT a very cool question, and you can see right here I asked ChatGPT to generate 10 short motivational messages on the make money niche, and ChatGPT did a cool job for me. What I'm going to do right now is to actually copy this content so as not to waste much of our time in the video. I'm just going to copy about 5 of these particular messages right here. Once you do copy that, you want to head on to this AI tool called 11labs.io. This is a very cool AI tool that you can use to convert text into speech. Now if you do come onto the AI tool, you can select the voiceover that you want to use. As you can see right now, I'm using Adam. You can see a lot of different voiceovers you could go on to selecting and utilizing. Once you select one, come onto this particular section that says text, and you want to just simply paste in that text right in this section. So you can see the text has actually been pasted right now. So once the text has been pasted right here guys, as you can see, I added a little text at the top which says words of wisdom that could guide you through your journey to wealth. And at the bottom section, I added a simple call to action that says check the video description for a free ebook that could also guide you through becoming wealthy. And right now, once you click on generate guys, that particular voiceover will be generated right here.
Words of
As you can see right now, the voiceover is actually being generated. If I do play this for you, you can listen to how cool that actually is. So
wisdom that could guide you through your journey to wealth. 1. Embrace challenges as opportunities to grow your wealth.
So that's how cool that voiceover actually is. You can just simply click on this download icon, download the voiceover, and you want to just simply go into generating some cool visuals for the video right there. Since we already have a voiceover to the video, we actually need to go into generating some cool visuals to the video. And to generate visuals, we could use platforms like the RunwayML.com. This is absolutely an amazing platform where you can just simply utilize to go into generating videos from just text prompt, or you could convert an already existing image to a video. So you want to just simply come onto the platform and you want to just simply sign up for free. If you do sign up and log into your account, you should be brought to a page that looks similar to this. Now supposing you want to just simply start by converting an image to video, you want to select start with an image. If you want to convert a text to video, select start with text. But you can actually do come right here. As you can see, you could go into inserting the text prompt you want to just simply utilize to convert a video. Maybe you could just simply type in something like a businessman walking on the street, and you can actually then go on to clicking on generate a 4 seconds video after typing that, and that will be generated. You could come right here, click on images, upload an image, and you can convert that image to video, or you could use both text and image and convert that to video. You can see right here, this is for the camera motion, editing the camera motion. This right here is for the speed section right now. This is for the camera motion also. This is for motion brush, and this is to actually add a style. As you can see, there are various styles right here that you can use, ranging from the cartoon style to the digital art style, frost, and a lot of other cool styles right here. So just simply select a very cool style suitable to you and generate some cool videos right now. As you can see, All these videos were actually generated with the help of this particular platform. As you can see, this video right now was generated just by giving it a simple description that says a sunset over a field of crops with the sun shining through the clouds and the sun shining through right now. And this was the video that was created. You can see also this is a very cool video that was generated right now utilizing this AI tool. Check out this other video right here that says a big ocean wave at daybreak, cinematic film, moody, high resolution. And this is the video that was generated right now. Keep on scrolling through, you can see a lot of cool videos that were generated with the help of this AI tool. Now once you do generate some cool videos for each and every scene right there, the next thing which you want to do is to just simply go on to merging the videos together and also add in that voice over to the video. And you can use AI tools like CapCut right here to do just that. So as you can see right here, this is how CapCut actually looks like right now. I'm actually using the web version of CapCut. You can actually go on to downloading the application on your mobile devices or your laptop and go on to utilizing that to generate a cool video, merge the video and voice over together. And once you do that, guys, you can actually take a look at the video that will be generated right now. Or you can take a look at the video I generated right now.
Words of wisdom that could guide you through your journey to Wealth One. Embrace challenges as opportunities to grow your wealth. Every obstacle is a stepping stone to success in the...
So guys, as you can see, the video has been generated. Once you do generate a very cool video like that, the next thing is to go on to grabbing hold of a very cool ebook that you want to just simply go on to promoting and locking in your URL file locker to actually go on to getting people to complete your offers by doing so right now. Because in the description or the voiceover of that particular video, we added that they should check the video description for a free ebook that could guide them in making or becoming wealthy. So right now, if I do go onto this platform called the freeplrdownloads.com, you can actually go on to downloading ebooks on any niche of your choice. You could download ebooks on business, and you can see right here on marketing, blogging, and a lot more kinds of niches. So I can actually come right here and type in something like make money. If I do come onto the search section, click on make money, and I do click on search, it's going to go on to searching through its database and show me ebooks right there on making money on or making money online. You can see this ebook right here which says make money online. I can just simply select the ebook right now. If I do select that right there, it's going to go on to taking me to a page where I can just simply go on to scrolling down to the bottom section, click on download, and download the ebook on my device. Once the ebook has been downloaded, head on to this platform right here called mediafire.com, and you want to just simply sign up for an account right here. Once you do sign up, come right here, click on upload, click on the plus icon, and go on to selecting that ebook from your device right there, because it will be taken to your device to select the ebook and just simply upload the ebook. Now once the ebook has actually been uploaded right there, the next thing which you want to do is to select the ebook from this section. Now if this is the ebook I want to promote right here, maybe this ebook that says make money online, I'm just going to come onto this section right here, and I'm just going to click on this three dots, click on copy link, copy the link, head back to my CPA marketing platform. So once I do log into my CPA marketing platform, which is CPA Grip to be precise, you can actually come onto the platform cpagrip.com, click on register, go on to creating an account. Is quite simple. Once you do register, you want to come onto this page by clicking on the monetization tools option, select the URL file locker option, be brought to this page, click on create new URL file locker, scroll down to the bottom, agree to the terms of service, click on continue, and you'll be brought to a page right here where you just simply need to go on to pasting that link in this particular locked URL section. Now what this actually means is that for them to actually gain access to that ebook, to download the ebook for free, they actually need to go on to going through my URL file locker, where they actually have to complete an offer before they can gain access to that particular ebook right there to download. And if they complete that offer, I'm going to be making some cool affiliate commission regardless of where their demographic or where the traffic is coming from right there. So you can actually go onto the template section, and this template section, maybe you could select a very cool template. I can actually select this template right now and actually go on to editing these details to go on to fitting into that particular ebook right there. To do so, guys, you want to just simply come right here to the general section and just simply edit that via this section. Edit the name, the size, the last uploaded date and last downloaded date to something quite recent. Once you are done, click on save right now. Your URL file locker will be generated. You can then click on get link, copy the link to your URL file locker, and go on to this particular platform called tinyurl.com to shorten that link. Paste in the lengthy link and click on shorten URL. A new URL will be created where you just simply need to click on copy right now. If you do click on copy, the new link will be copied to your clipboard. All you then need to do is to head on to this particular platform right here, which is called YouTube. Create a very cool channel on YouTube that is actually focusing on that particular kind of niche. You want to just simply create an account on YouTube or a channel on YouTube that is focusing on the make money niche, and you just need to come right here, click on this particular section, or rather you want to click on this plus icon, click on upload video, and you could just simply go on to uploading that video on this platform. Now, supposing this is the video right here, all you need to do is just simply give the video a very cool title related to that make money online. For the description section, you want to just simply paste in that particular tiny URL link in the description. Also describe the kind of video right there that it is, and you could just simply put in something like free ebook. So if you put in something like this that says free ebook, then you paste in that particular link right here. Maybe I'm just going to come right here, paste in the link. As you can see right now, you can actually do come on to putting in some cool stuff right there. As you can see, it says to make external link clickable, first complete one off, which is actually the verification right there. So you just need to go on to making sure that you actually complete verification, then scroll down to the section that says show more, click on that, and you want to scroll down to this tag section and select some cool tags related to that particular niche. Maybe you can actually do select make money, and if I do click on enter, that tag has been added. I can put in something like make money online, and if I put in enter, I can actually do put in make money motivation. I can put in some cool tags that can actually make this your video discoverable by a lot of individuals right there. So make the video easily discovered by adding some cool keywords right there. So those keywords are keywords that once people do search on YouTube right there for such kind of keywords, your video can be easily seen by such individuals. Then go on to posting this on this platform and making this go live right there. So you can actually then head back to generate multiple videos right there utilizing this simple strategy, and always make sure that you're promoting a very cool offer in the description of the video, or a very cool ebook in the description of the video, and that promotion of the ebook could lead you to making money with CPA marketing right there. So I do hope the video was helpful. If yes, do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.